Is it true that NOAA 2 has expiration? Totoo ba na may expiration yung NOAA 2 na matatanggap natin from USCIS? Yes po, meron pong expiration ang NOAA 2 or the approved I-129F petition natin sa USCIS. And gaano ba, hanggang kailan lang ba yung validity niya? 4 months lang yung validity ng I-129F approved petition po ninyo from USCIS. So ano bang mangyayari after pag hindi pa kayo nakatapos ng K1 visa process ninyo or nakapag-interview? I have a video right here on how to request to extend, the step-by-step guide on how to request to extend your NOAA 2 if you already have your NOAA 2 and hindi pa kayo nakapag-book ng interview and hindi pa kayo natapos sa buong process, or if you haven't received your NOAA 2 yet, alam nyo na kung anong mangyayari bago pa yan mag-expire. Check this video right here. Nandito po yung step-by-step guide kung paano mag-request, properly request to extend your NOAA 2 para po hindi kayo magka-problema. So good luck everybody, October filers. Congratulations sa mga na-approve na for October filers. And please subscribe for more tips and guides about K1 visa processes and mga updates right now sa K1 visa, especially sa USCIS. Good luck everybody!